Okay, I'm here on day 2 of the OpenStack Design Summit, and I'm here with the Chief Architect, Rick Clark. Rick, how you doing?
Oh, pretty good, Barton. Pretty good, thank you.
So how's it been going so far? Maybe you could just tell us a little bit about what some of your goals are for this this event and how it's going.
So in this Design Summit, which is our first public one, we had one before, but it was just invited people. This is our first real public one. Our goal is to plan for the next 2-3 month releases. And the goal of those next 2 releases is for us to be ready for service provider deployments at places like Rackspace. The object store is already ready; it's already deployed, and the Nova code, the compute, is deployed at NASA. But there's functionality and there are features that we need at Rackspace that we have to put in over the next 6 months.
So we heard yesterday there's close to 300 people here. What's the makeup? Do you have any idea how many are customers, how many are vendors, how many are...
I don't know, but it is a diverse group, and that's really, really exciting. I mean, there are people here from a lot of different companies, and we had a really good session today about a distributed data store that had participation from maybe 30 different people. I mean, it was exciting, and you're starting to see the architecture and all the design decisions come together. So we have a picture of where we're going, and that's exciting. I couldn't ask for this to have gone better. I mean, I'm very happy, even though we're only on the second day, so I shouldn't count my chickens. But so far, wonderful.
And so this is obviously an open source project. How is this? How many of the folks here are veteran open source folks, as opposed to new folks being brought in just because it sounds so promising, the platform? So
there are a lot of people that have worked on open source projects, but they work for companies that are paying them to do that are here. There are people, I've talked to people that are working for companies that have never participated in open source before that are participating in this. And that's exciting. I mean, that we're actually bringing people to open source is exciting. And I think that the openness of the project is one of the things that's attracting them.
And then last but not least, when's the next one? Have you said it, and where will that be?
I don't know. I think it'll probably be in 6 months, and I don't know where it will be, but I think that we would take suggestions.
Excellent. So that's a call to everybody watching this to write in your vote.
How big's your basement? Do you have a basement or a living room in Austin? Well, it'll be there.
Excellent. Rick Clark, thank you so much.